My name is Pavlos Sepetas. I'm an industrial engineer at Epirotic Bottling Industry. Epirotic Bottling Industry is a Greek family business. Second generation is myself and my two brothers, along with our 500 extended family, as we call them, people that work with us every day and work towards the vision of becoming a technology company that's bringing nature close to everyone. Epirotic Bottling Industry started producing Vikos water in 1992. It's the #1 water in sales in Greece right now. Today Vikos also produces soft drinks. 3 years ago we made the decision to include returnable glass packaging for water and soft drinks, and also can. You focus with them on the Horeca, which is the hotel, restaurant, cafeteria. Huge sector in Greece, something we need to focus on. Our relationship with Krones goes back to the very beginning, where in 2005 we installed the first PET Krones line in Greece.
My name is Dimitris Vassos. I'm the maintenance manager of the plant. We decided to include at the new can line the new can filler compact. Vikos company invests in new technologies. Therefore, we decided to install those two new lines that are fully automated. The biggest challenge of this project was to install two lines at the same time to an existing building.
Krones was super fast. Their machinery and all their standards are super high, and they serve our purpose for providing the most qualitative and hygienic product in the market. I feel very comfortable making plans with Krones, especially because Krones is always keeping up to date with all the new trends, all the new technologies, and we feel like they will be able in the next decade to support all these advancements that are happening all around us.